All right, guys, here we are with a 1973 20 SeaCraft. This is delivery day. You know, everybody kind of wants a nice sunny day, but we got Milton out there in the Gulf, so kind of feeling some of the effects. I'm just going to go over real quick the build for you. This is the Allcraft 3000 Aqua Mist. We got our pop-up bow light. We got our 8-inch lift cleat in the center. Here's our 50-50 mix non-skid. The grip tech's fine with the course. We got another pop-up cleat here midship. We got our 2 Gemlux rod holders in the back, and then here's another pop-up cleat there. Went retro with the vents. Nice one-piece SeaCraft logo. We got the Mate series combo cup rod holders. We got a 70 by 24 inch setback double flotation bracket. Went ahead and made a nice big box just to add a little extra for the heavy 4-strokes. Taco rub rail, nice custom stainless steel polished hen plate I had made especially for the customer. We got the under ladder. Then inside we got a nice anodized aluminum leaning post with a folding footrest. I got the under storage, the 3 rod holders and the 2 cup holders, little cooler strap. Then in the back here we have your deck was raised 2 inches, so we are self-bailing. I got the Gemlux scuppers out the back here, nice and clean. And then here's your bilge access. Now, just like with my previous build, I made a false floor here that we could pull out on a hinge, so you could access your bilge underneath there, and you don't have a hatch on your deck. Here we got a nice shelf. Went ahead and raised the console just to accept some modern electronics. A nice clear windshield, beautiful T-top, heavy duty. We got the 4 rocket launchers in the back. We got a spreader light forward and aft. We got a nice grab bar here. See the non-skid drop on the deck. All right, here, since we have the shelf in the console, we went ahead, put a nice access so we can access the electronics here. Then we got twist. Nice and clean and painted. And we have your anchor storage, beautiful. And then here, just an anchor locker. Let me wipe this down. There we go. Nothing special there, but here's what we got. I'll give you another. We do have the front cushions. We're just gonna have to mail them to the customer. They weren't ready in time. It'll match the black diamond stitch of the leaning post. Put a little SeaCraft embroidery. And then of course, like you guys have seen in my previous videos, this will be really hard to see. We went ahead and ghosted SeaCraft into the non-skid here. So it's been a fun redo. A lot of hours, a lot of labor went into this boat, but at the end of the day, I think it was all very well worth it. Go ahead and you can see scuppers are there behind the. I think it turned out to be a beautiful build. Probably one of my favorites.